First things first. Mute the phone. Muted. Knock shit over. Have an Ewok that doesn't want to help. Hold that. Okay. A few things. Gotta get the small knife for this. This is really. I need to let my samurai sword at work. Look at this. You think I'm joking, right? This package is really tough, and this blade is duller than butter knife. Yeah. Duller than the butter than a butter knife. What we got here is a case for a phone that's inside this box. So we're just going to gently push this to the side. I got something in here for a really good deal. It's not a reason why I got it. I am currently using the Note 9, the 512 gigabyte model, 8 gigs of RAM. Oops, good thing it wasn't sharp. That would have fucking sucked. Bought that when it was new. Love the phone. Zero problems with it. Even love the purple. Hope it shows on the GoPro. Purple. But a friend of mine had me this Samsung Insight device thing program stuff. So I got the phone, this phone here, 50% off. It's the Galaxy S10 Plus. Then I traded in, I'm going to send back my Note 8, which is in mint condition. And they're giving me $550 for that phone. But overall, okay, with the $550 discount with the Note 8, then the 50% discount applies to that discount. This cost me $225, down from $1,000. So that's why I got this phone. It's a 128 gigabyte model, the Galaxy S10 Plus. And yes, I got the Flamingo pink. So I think it goes good with the lavender purple, or maybe not. Much thinner phone. So I'm going to use this phone for a while. I'm excited about the wide-angle camera lens because I like to do a lot of pictures, videos, so that's exciting. Let's see what that's all about. But for $225, I'm not using my Note 8 anyway. They gave me a lot of money for it, and then the 50% discount, so it's a $775 discount. $225. I'd be an idiot not to get this phone. Even if I use it for a year or less, whatever, how long, I'm going to make double the amount of money back on this phone. So. Scare you? So, we got the typical bullshit. I know there's a million of these videos on YouTube. Making 1,000,001 now. Still get this charger. I like the black ones better. I got that with the Note 8 and the Note 9. The AKG. Cool, I got white and gray now because I got the other ones. Actually, they're still brand new in the closet because I'm using the Note 8 ones. Note 9 ones are still brand new. I have like 3 sets of these now. Little tool. You're going to do the smart switch. That's all they gave me. Doesn't cost a book. It's going to have the little tool jammy thing for the SIM card in here somewhere. Let's see what we got. Damn it, went under my fingernail. That's gonna burn. Any more toys? Yep. Oh, no. There it is. There's the little SIM tool thingy. Every year they change the shape of this thing. So stupid. And all the books. That's that. Nice and simple short video. I don't want to go too crazy with this. But I'm excited to try this wide angle camera thing out and see how it compares to my Note 9. I don't know if this show there's battery life in it. Yep, look at that. A little bigger battery. The phone actually weighs less too. Pretty interesting. Yeah, that screen is pretty massive. I had to get a carrier version, unfortunately. I want to get unlocked, but part of the deal, I can only get the 128GB model, which is fine because my Note 8, I had a 128GB card that came with that for free, so I could just wipe it out, throw it in here. I'll have 256. So I can mess around with this later.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through
It talks
the steps.
now. That's new. Put you aside. And this, I've always liked this company. Spigen. Hope I'm saying it correctly. I always use their phone cases for years now. They're very nice. What I like about it, you get a nice clear case. Then we can see the color of your phone. And I love the magnetic little tray. Little kickstand. So, and that's that. So I gotta test it all out. I'm gonna see how the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works. I'm gonna miss my pen. Believe me, I'm gonna be carrying this phone with me because I love the S Pen. Love it, love it, love it. Note 10's only gonna be better. This shit is awesome with the Bluetooth features. Even cropping faces out to make my friends look like idiots on the internet. That's fun too. But I love the Note 9. If I get qualified again for the survey shit with the Note 10, believe me, I'm jumping all over that too. So that's that. Now I'm going to play with the phone. So there's your little whole punch out camera crap. 3 lenses. I still got the SIM card. the SD card. I got remap Bigsby instead of using another app I use on there. I might try it again on here. The power button. I got big hands, so this power button, it is kind of far away, but it's not terrible. Luckily, I get big hands. The big mouth. So, alright. I believe that's going to be it for this video. There's your Flamingo pink I almost said GoPro, because that's what I'm using to record this. Any other words, Ewok? You don't have to wear sunglasses in the house. You're going to go blind. Yeah, it looks like you already did. Good, taking care of your teeth. Good boy. Rangers didn't make the playoffs this year, so go Knights, go. Go Samsung, go. There's the video. Pink and purple. See what wacky colors that come out for the Note 10. And that's it for now.